is the Qlicksmart BladeSINGLE. The BladeSINGLE was invented by clinicians to safely remove a scalpel blade in the operating room and wherever scalpels are used. The CDC estimates that 385,000 sharps-related injuries occur each year in hospitals, which risks exposing healthcare workers to bloodborne infections such as hepatitis B, hepatitis C, or HIV. Recent data suggests that most sharps injuries can be avoided by using better safety-engineered devices. Here's how to use the BladeSINGLE. Peel back the sterile blister packaging to reveal the BladeSINGLE. Underneath the red base holder is an adhesive that can be used to secure the BladeSINGLE onto most surfaces. Separate the cartridge from the base holder and fasten the base to a drape or flat surface. Place the cartridge onto the base so that it is standing upright. The BladeSINGLE is now ready to remove scalpel blades. Make sure that the scalpel is facing the same direction as the red guide on the cartridge. Using one hand, rest the scalpel blade on the red lancing pad and insert it under the jaws of the cartridge. This will help guide the scalpel into the correct placement. Tilt up to 90 degrees and then push the scalpel down until you hear a click. The click sound indicates that the device has successfully removed the scalpel blade and that it is securely contained in the cartridge. Remove the cartridge from the holder. It is now safe to use two hands to pull out the scalpel handle. Dispose the BladeSINGLE into a sharps bin after use. With the Qlicksmart BladeSINGLE, OR sharp safety is as simple as place, push, click, and pull. The BladeSINGLE is compatible with most scalpel handles and blades and can also be included in sterile procedure packs. For a trial, contact us through our website at qlicksmart.com.